What's up, y'all? It's your boy Old Chingu. We're about to make some kimchi burgers. First, you need buns. These buns are the source of what carry the burger and the kimchi. And the burgers, of course. These are great value. Let me get this right here. These are essential to what you need to do here. They are great value, 100% pure beef burgers. These are crucial to... Hey, can't just coming into my set like that.
Human struggle is freaking beautiful. You know what? People live and they die. But in between, so many things occur that cannot be explained by man, and they struggle. And I struggle too.
Like blue balls.
And it hurts. But it's okay. Because it's beautiful. And that is what it's all about.
Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm so sorry about that interruption. We do need these beef burgers, though. These are going to be essential to the kimchi burger.
What you doing?
What do you mean?
These are for my veggie burgers.
I'm making kimchi burgers.
These are for my veggie burgers.
Those are not your buns.
Let me get you real quick.
Whose buns are these?
Mine.
Come here. Come into the... Let's figure out whose buns these are.
Whose buns are these?
I don't know.
Whose buns are these?
I thought...
Cause it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You know why? It's beautiful. Cause
I thought they were buns that we could use.
you can make claim on these buns.
I didn't... Dom said it was his buns.
Well, Dom lied to you.
I meant the ones up there where your head is. Yeah, here.
Oh.
Oh, it's a 3.
Oh. Okay, alright, let's break it down. Okay. So these are the buns that I was supposed to be using, but it looks like my brother here is very frustrated with the usage of buns.
These are veggie buns.
Okay, come here. Speak to the camera. Because at the end of the day, you messing up my video, okay? And with that comes a price, okay? Because this is going to be funding your adventures and your experience
My
with life,
adventures?
okay?
My adventures?
Your marriage?
My marriage?
It's not going to work
My whole
without
damn
me!
man. Yeah.
Without me!
Yeah.
Alright, so what's up? You want to make some veggie burgers?
I'm gonna make some veggie burgers.
Okay, let's make some food together.
Let's make some food together.
Alright.
No, come
Stop
on.
trying to kiss me.
I'm not trying to kiss you, bro. I'm just trying to freaking hug you.
Alright. We straight?
Yeah.
How's your day?
It was good, man. How was yours?
I'm not cutting this out.
Yeah?
It was great.
I see you didn't move the bed, but it's all good.
Oh my gosh, bro.
It's all good, I'm telling you. I'm just saying, like, what I expected to see. And
What do you expect? These things that you expect are not realistic. And you're going to be very upset with life because people aren't going to go with the way that you expect.
No, that's not upsetting. It's like, it's
What? You expect it?
It's invigorating.
You're always going to be at a B. You're never going to be at an A+ because you're going to be like, oh, I expected this to happen in my mind, but I didn't communicate it, but you're just supposed to understand it.
No, Bob.
Yes, Bob.
Okay, so I expect when I get here for people to greet me. If it doesn't happen,
We just said, what's up, Bob?
Listen, Bob, I'm not saying it did or did not. I'm saying if it didn't happen, I wouldn't be upset. I wouldn't be sad. It was something that I expected. I expected you to be here.
But you're, yeah.
You know? But if you weren't here, oh, he's out. It's one of those things that's like, oh, it didn't happen. But like, it's okay. The human life is full of struggle. And that's the beauty of it. Things don't get done. Reading assignments don't get done. People don't graduate, but they still live good lives.
Yeah, that's true, Bob. Are you dropping out?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just making sure you know that I love you.
Do you?
That's what it's all about.
Come on, bro.
That's what it's all about. Because amidst the struggle, guess what you have to do?
What?
You have to get by someone and say, hey, man, I appreciate you. And you're so valuable to me. Because without anybody else, you struggle alone.
That's true.
Right?
Yes.
So we've chosen to struggle together.
Okay, Bob, let's make some burgers.
Okay,
let's clean your hands. Alright, before I was really interrupted, we gotta change the plans. Those aren't our buns, so we're gonna be using some different buns. These look very beat up, but you know, we're still okay with it. But to do something like a kimchi burger, you have to have an expertise like moi, okay? And you need to have some Korean culture in your blood. And so basically, if you watch about 25 hours of Korean film, drama, consume Korean music, then you're in the clear. 25 hours at least. So we're gonna get right into it. Alright guys, so basically the first step is either have a pan, or in this case we have a George Foreman grill. And with this George Foreman grill, we are going to put the burgers in such grill. And this is gonna really heat up the meat, the burgers here, okay? And again, if you are a vegetarian as well, you can make veggie burgers and do the same type of concept. But in this example today, we're going to be using some meat. Oh, we got veggie burgers. Show them the veggie. So what's the difference between this?
This is 0 animal product.
Okay, what's in it?
I want to say corn, black beans, soy products.
That sounds great.
Red peppers, things of that nature, vegetables.
That's wonderful. So you want to get some extra virgin olive oil. Extra, because during this quarantine we got to stay inside. Can't be doing nothing. And this is what you want to do. You want to spray a little jam, which I will show you right now. It's a nice little spray. And this is really gonna bring out the flavor and cook the patties very well. All right. All right. Yeah, baby. I got buns, meat, potatoes. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. So you gotta sing while you are making such things to be in the mindset truly of cooking kimchi burgers, okay? This is what we're doing. We're in this bad boy and just shucking it on the George Foreman grill, okay? Looking pretty good. We're gonna close that up. Ooh. Yes, sir. We all need somebody to lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. And then you carry on, lean on me. I'll be your friend. Somebody to lean on me. Oh, sorry, Bob.
It's okay.
Didn't mean to hurt you. Because there's pain and struggle in the human body, huh?
In the human experience.
Oh, human experience. So where'd you learn that today?
I was just meditating while I was driving.
Dang, okay.
Eyes closed, of course.
Eyes closed.
Yep.
You want to do a podcast today?
Sure, man.
I really appreciate that. When you come in and do some content with me. Next very important items. Sriracha. Obviously, spice it up a little bit. And kimchi. We got a whole jam of kimchi because your boy is homesick. About to get lit. We all lit. Check on this George Foreman real quick, baby. It's coming. Need somebody to lean. Damn, we got a low on cheese, my G. See, you don't need to use all of one cheese. You can split it for 2 sandwiches. This is how you conserve and lose weight, okay? Alright? So 1 cheese, you can split into 2. This is what we got today. Hot jalapeno and habanero jack sliced cheese, okay? Great value. Great Value sponsor us because we use your products frequently. So basically, this is what I do. I cut the cheese in half like this and put it on the bottom of the bun. Hey, you think I could use one of your buns?
Of course, man.
Thank you so much.
Do you mind if I use one of yours?
We only have 3.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Here's the bun that our friend let us borrow.
It's a pretty bun.
It's a very pretty bun. Put it on just like that, right on the bottom. Alright guys, so how's that looking? You can taste it through the video. What you think?
Looks good, man. I wouldn't eat it though.
You wouldn't eat it?
Yeah, this coronavirus going crazy.
Alright, so it looks like the burgers are ready to be placed on the buns, which I will show you right now what we're doing. I like to use some tongs to really get some good grip and precision. And then we're gonna put the burger on the bun. Huh?
You miss me today?
I did miss you. So the burgers are on the buns, and the cheese is right under the burger. And now we're gonna apply the kimchi. It's kind of hard doing it.
You want me to hold the camera?
Can you?
Sure, man, of course.
Oh, thank you so much,
You know I
bud.
love doing camera work for
Okay,
you.
I just didn't want to ask you to do it because you know you're cooking, and last time I asked you to do something, you got really mad. But all right, guys, so we're gonna be placing the kimchi.
So he asked me to make him a sandwich, but not like just like any time of day. It was like I was about to take a shower, and we were about to leave the house. And he asked me to make him a sandwich, and he really thought.
Bro, I asked a nice thing, you know.
It was nice.
You asked me to make you a sandwich.
All right, show us how to put the kimchi on the burger.
So basically, put the kimchi on just about that amount here. Pretty good medium size, I would say. Not too much,
Very
not
nice.
too little. Okay.
Yep.
You see that? Beauty, yeah. And
He's
now
all the way in that jam.
you want to add the sriracha.
Ooh.
Ooh, in a nice little circle. That's the sharingan. And as you can see, this is the kimchi burger. Now you can add different things like seasonal or Old Bay or honey mustard, but in this case we're gonna keep it classic. Let's give it a little taste test, shall we? And now, because we're a family here in this apartment, I'm going to plate my brother's burger for him to have. It would just be quite tumultuous for me to not give it to him first, okay? So this is his burger. Everyone look at the kimchi burger. Of course, this is great paired with french fries, potato chips, salad on the side, but right now, all we're really in the mood for is kimchi burger, okay? So here we go. We're gonna give it to our roommate Dom. Watch me. Hey Dom, here's the kimchi burger.
Oh, you made it, finally.
Say, I love chicken noodle soup.
I love chicken noodle soup.
Please let us know how the kimchi burger tastes.
I taste like kimchi in a burger. So great.
And there you have it, folks. That's how you make a kimchi burger in less than 10 minutes. What's the rating?
What's the scale?
Damn, I never been asked that question. 0 out of 10 Germans.
At least 8.
Okay! At least 8 Germans.
Would you go and pay for this burger?
Yes.
Ooh!
How much would you pay?
So this specifically, $2.
$2.
$2.
You hear that, y'all?
It's small.
Less than a quarter pounder.
Damn. All right. So if it was me, I would charge it for $3.50 because at the end of the day, with what's going on in the world right now, you gotta make a living, right? Ain't that right? So right now we're putting on 2 more just to kind of get the ball rolling. All right. Shout out to George Foreman Grill, sponsor us if you see this video. Also Walmart for the buns, great value. We couldn't do it without you. And that concludes the video.
We got these buns from Crest.
that concludes the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Enjoy your kimchi burger with your roommates, your family, your friends, your partner. And, hey, cut the video. You guys have a great day.